Okay children, see here, G-bit, page number 11. So we are learning something new here. Pronunciation is very important, as you know. So according, sometimes, see, the other day I have here seen C-A-T. How we pronounce? C-K, K-A-T. Cat, K-A. Sorry, here what you pronounce? A. K-A. So here pronunciation is very important according to the phonic rules. Okay, but there are some letters, some words where letters are not pronounced. For example, if I write, see here, write. What is the spelling goes? W-R-I-T-E. How you pronounce this? Right. If you see, W is not at all pronounced. We are not taking the W sound. Why? We say it is silent. What is this silent? Really it is confusing, no? Tricky. Why such words are there? Yes, such words are present. So we call them as silent letters. In some words where our letters, when we can spell them but not pronounce them. What do you understand by spelling? In the spelling you write. That's why we say it, don't say it. Silent letter rules. Say it, but don't say it. Say it, but don't say it. That is the rule for silent letters. What are silent letters, children? When in a word we see letters which are not taken, not pronounced. For example, you see K-N-I-T, knit. Here see knit. K is not pronounced. Thumb. B is not pronounced. B is silent. So here K, B, W is silent. Okay, now I am saying you, because your teacher said W-R-I-T-E, right? You say right. K-N-I-T-E, net. You say knit. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Thumb we don't say. Thumb. Thumb. Ba is not pronounced. Then B is silent here. When I say, you say. Will you agree with me? Why it is like that, teacher? Why can't we pronounce? Okay, suppose if I give you one more word. For example, let me give you, okay, see here W-R-I-N-K-L-E. I'll say pronounce children. How you? So here, when a new word, I won't say it, I'll just say W-R-I-N-K-L-E means you have to pronounce for me. It's a bit difficult for you because such words you might have not come across, you might not have heard it. Yes or no? So today I will say you some rules for silent letters. So these are some tricks what you can learn how to spell and pronounce. How to spell and pronounce. So, but remember, silent letters are say it, don't say it. What are silent letters? Say it, but don't say it. For example, we said CW, but we don't say. We see B, but we don't say. We see K, but we don't say. Understand? The same way, here we are going to learn some rules. Okay, let me start with K only here. When I say K is not pronounced, K is silent. Where N, K comes before the N. See, when K is silent, please children, remember these rules. When K comes before N, at the beginning of a word, K is silent when it comes before N at the beginning of a word. Repeat after me. When K is silent, when we don't say K, but we say it. When K comes before N. For example, K comes before N. Yes, at the beginning of the word. For example, see, K-N-O-B, K came before. K-N-O-T, knob, not. No, K-N-O-W, No. K-19-IT. Knife. You know knife? K-N-I-F-E. But we don't pronounce. Okay. When N comes after K, that means K comes before N. Remember? Comes before N. Then K is silent. Understand? Next, when B is silent, for example, thumb I said, comes after the M. Where B is silent, where it comes after the M. At the end of a word, MB. For example, see, thumb, 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 B. See, where, what it B comes after M. At the end of a word, then what happens? B is silent. See here, K silent, then B silent. When B is silent? When B comes after the letter M. Comes after the letter M at the end of a word. Okay. Understood? Next, see where W is silent. Where comes before the R at the beginning of a word. For example, WR comes before the R. For example, see right here, right comes before the R. W is coming before R. Then W is silent at the beginning of a word. See, only we here W is not. At the beginning of a word where comes before R, rap comes beginning before R. Wrong. W is not pronounced. Wrinkle. See, W is not pronounced. So wherever you find R before, after W, that means W is silent when comes before the R. When W comes before the R, that means it comes first. Then W is silent. Understand this one. Then G. When G is silent before the letter N. G is silent before the letter N. For example, see. Sign. Here G is silent. Design. G is silent. Here see. No. G is silent. So wherever you see G silent before the letter N, before the letter N, whenever G is there and after that N is there, then G is silent before the letter N. So remember, K silent before the letter N, B silent B after the letter M, after the letter M, W silent before the letter R, G silent before the letter N. So see here we have many words, children. See, wrong. Just now I have explained. Before the letter R, knock before the letter N, knee before the letter N, wrist before the letter R, wrap before the letter R. Here see, wrench before the letter R, knot before the letter N, before knit before the letter N. Okay. So these are the spelling rules what you must learn. Please note down the spellings. Okay, and read this spelling, silent letters, which are called silent letters, which we see but don't say it. We are not saying, but we are able to see W. Yes? How we pronounce? Wrong, only from R. So please note down the spelling rules. Okay, children? Next part, alphabetical, we will continue in our next video, children.